bracing for that heat, humidity, but this looks like a keeper.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty
Well,
nice
that's it.
forecast.
I think it's because you're new. You brought it with you. Congrats.
You know, usually my luck doesn't go that way, but maybe things have turned.
I like that. I like that for you. I like that for you.
As we head into tonight, we're looking at a quiet forecast. It's a beautiful evening, not humid. We're talking about dew points that are in the mid 60s, even low 60s. We are looking at sort of a repeat forecast for your Thursday. So we'll end up with highs back into the mid to low 80s across central and southern Minnesota. And we're going to have similar humidity levels. Now, tomorrow night, I am tracking some changes, but it's not going to lead to any sort of washout. So again, we do have the chance for rain tomorrow night into Friday early in the morning. Overall, this is a beautiful 7-day forecast with really fall-like temperatures returning by this upcoming weekend for the first weekend of the State Fair. So today's highs 84 degrees. We're looking at sunset at 8:10. Temperatures made it into the 80s across most of the state, and that's what I'm expecting tomorrow as well. Overnight tonight, we're going to be looking at another round of patchy fog past midnight into early tomorrow morning, and that should mix out on the later end by 8 or 9. Otherwise, high temperatures to our west. We're hot and steamy frequently through the summer. We'd point to temperatures towards the Dakotas and tell you, hey, get ready. This is on its way to Minnesota and Wisconsin. But I'm not talking about that here as we head towards the end of the week. So we're catching a nice break from the heat, the humidity, and we do have a good bit of sunshine as well. Tomorrow, we're back into the mid to low 80s. Winds are staying out of the south. We'll have sunny skies in the morning, a few fair weather clouds possible by late afternoon. That's more likely north of 94. Timing out our next chance for some rain and storms. Here's tomorrow closer to 6. Scattered showers and storms are going to develop closer to a front that first enters northwestern Minnesota and then kind of gradually tracks farther southward into the overnight hours. Here's 10, 10:30. Isolated strong to severe storms are possible with hail about a quarter in size and gusty winds. But as that continues to track southward, it does look like it's going to break up and not be quite as much of a line of storms. And generally, we'll be looking at a weakening trend as they track southward. Now, we still have the chance for a few strong storms overnight. Here's about 2:30 in the morning, but it's just more likely to our west and then to our north. You can see microcast showing we have the chance for a few storms overnight, but it doesn't look to be widespread rain and storms. And certainly not a repeat of the heavy rain that we've had with a handful of those overnight chances for rain and storms. So we're not talking about flooding concerns. I do expect that many folks across the metro won't even walk away with 1/10 of an inch of rain. Where we have a storm or two, especially where we have an isolated strong storm, which is more likely west and north, that's where we could have some locally heavy rainfall, quick quarter of an inch or so of rain. But again, that will be scattered and not widespread. Your 7-day forecast shows Friday, we're waking up to a bit of cloud cover and a couple spotty showers possible with a few storms across far southern Minnesota. We're losing cloud cover into Friday afternoon, and your weekend is a fall-like forecast, 67 for the high on Sunday. We'll be right back.